keyframing text, picture and video. So we are gonna start from the video. Here you see a diamond button here. Press this diamond button and move your timeline, and now zoom little bit, and now zoom more, and now zoom more, and here it to the screen. Pinch and little bit rotate like this one. Zoom now like this one. Here is slide a little bit here. Okay, so now I play this video. Pause for the video. This is a picture here, right? I want to add some keyframes in this picture. Go to add a keyframe in the beginning, and now I zoom, adding another keyframe, zooming more, place it here, move your cursor here. At this place I just want it to go there. At this place I want to bring it back. I can increase the size of timeline. It disappears, and you click on this one, bring it back like this. I just want to bring it here. All right, play this one. Cool. Here you can add some transitions, some effects as well. For example, in and out animations here, and some effects as well. Now the text, I'm adding a text. Subscribe guys. So I'm adding a subscribe text. Increase this one here up to this place. If you don't know how to import fonts, I have another video on my channel. You can import different fonts. In the font section you see the plus button here. You can import. This is my first keyframe, another keyframe, and move this one here. Keep adding like this one keyframe and move it here, and here I just move this one like this. I can rotate it according to the picture here. This place I wanna make it back to the original position and a little bit upside, and here inch it back to the normal and bring it up. This one smaller. Now if I go and play back, so this is the feature guys. You can use keyframes for pictures, for text, for videos, or whatsoever the project is. You have some shapes. Diamond button is there. It will appear. You can do it for the stickers and shapes as well. Stay tuned. I'll see you in another video. Take care. Bye-bye.